So I thought I would try to kind of document all of my vinyl stuff. A bunch of small ones here, and a whole bunch of stuff I've been picking up over the years. Some even without sleeves, some of the Time Life book stuff. There's classical music and jazz stuff I had never heard before, and with a degree in music, I found that kind of irritating because there's some great music. And I built this stand to kind of display the albums, but also my video collection. And we'll see how well this goes.